When the ground beneath New Jersey roared, it wasn't a mere tremor. It was a 4.8 magnitude earthquake, a force of nature that shook the very core of the East Coast. This unexpected quake had its epicenter about 30 miles west of Newark, rocking the day of local residents and sending shockwaves felt as far as New York City, Philadelphia, and Baltimore. The event led to a flurry of reactions, a mixed bag of panic, disbelief, and humor, especially on social media. Interestingly, the quake also stirred controversy, with Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene attributing it to a divine call for repentance. An earthquake in New Jersey, a rare and surprising event, but what exactly causes this ground-shaking phenomenon? Earthquakes, they're not just the earth throwing a tantrum, they're a result of complex geological processes happening beneath our feet. Now you might be wondering what causes these ground-shaking phenomena. Well, it all begins with the Earth's crust, the outermost shell of our planet. This crust isn't a single solid piece. It's broken up into massive sections known as tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit very slowly, due to the heat and pressure from the Earth's core. Now, when these plates interact, they can cause earthquakes. There are three main types of interactions. In convergent boundaries, plates collide, causing one plate to be forced beneath the other in a process called subduction. In divergent boundaries, plates pull apart, creating a gap where magma rises to form new crust. And in transform boundaries, plates slide past each other horizontally. The areas where these plates meet are known as faults. Over time, stress builds up along these faults as the plates continue to move. Eventually, the stress becomes too much and the rock breaks or slips, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. These waves travel through the earth and cause the shaking that we recognize as an earthquake. But why are earthquakes more common in some areas and less so in others? Well, that's because not all parts of the Earth's crust are equally active. The most earthquake-prone regions are those along tectonic plate boundaries like the infamous Pacific Ring of Fire. On the other hand, places like New Jersey are located in the middle of the North American plate, far from any boundaries. As such, they're typically less prone to earthquakes. However, that doesn't mean they're immune. Stress can still build up in the crust, leading to occasional quakes, like the recent one in New Jersey. So, the tremors we feel are essentially the Earth's way of releasing pent-up stress. But what does this mean for New Jersey? New Jersey, known for its beaches and bustling cities, isn't exactly a hotbed of seismic activity. Earthquakes in the Garden State are a rare occurrence. In fact, most of us associate earthquakes with the West Coast rather than the East. But history tells us that New Jersey has had its fair share of tremors, albeit infrequent. The state's seismic history can be traced back to the 18th century, with the first documented quake occurring in December 1737. Since then, there have been sporadic instances of seismic activity. The recent earthquake, with its epicenter near Lebanon, New Jersey, was one of the largest, registering a magnitude of 4.8 on the Richter scale. Such quakes are not the norm for New Jersey, but they do happen. They serve as a potent reminder that we are not immune to the powerful forces that shape our planet. This recent event has sparked discussions among scientists and residents alike about the implications for the future. Could this be a sign of increasing seismic activity in the region? Only time will tell. While earthquakes in New Jersey are rare, they're a stark reminder of the raw, unpredictable power of nature. In the wake of the ground's roar, we're left with a better understanding of what causes these natural phenomena. The recent earthquake in New Jersey, a jolting reminder of the planet's restless nature, has brought to light the science behind such seismic events. The shifting of tectonic plates beneath us, like puzzle pieces in constant motion, triggers these tremors. New Jersey's seismic history, though not as well known, is peppered with such geological surprises, underscoring the unpredictability of our living planet. As we stand on this spinning globe, we are at the mercy of its movements, a sobering reminder of the dynamic planet we call home.